Welcome back! Today, we are pushing the boundaries of resin art by creating a fully 3D, multi-layered ocean topography piece. Look at this incredible shoreline. We start by sculpting the realistic rock formations using gray relief paste. After letting it cure for a full 24 hours, it's time to bring them to life with acrylic painting, highlighting the natural textures and deep shadows. Next, I mixed white relief paste with an earthy brown acrylic tone to fill the gaps between the rocks. While it's still wet, I pour real sand over it to lock in that perfect beach texture. Once it dry, I simply pour away the excess sand and secure the faux moss and greenery using a hot glue gun. To give the rocks an aged, mossy look, I apply a bit of craft glue and sprinkle fine turf powder over them. It adds that perfect realistic touch. Now for the magic, the ocean. I prepared 3 separate epoxy mixes: deep blue, vibrant turquoise, and a crystal clear batch. First, I pour the clear resin to act as a smooth base. Then, I swirl the deep blue and turquoise together to create immediate depth. Next, I apply the white resin lines and blow them out with a heat gun to create those perfect ocean waves. To finish this layer, I place a real starfish and delicate seashells directly into the resin. The next day, after the first layer fully cured, I added these adorable sea turtle stickers. You can paint them by hand if you prefer, but stickers work beautifully here. For the final touch, I pour a second layer of clear resin over the top. This second layer makes the waves look incredibly natural and floating. I use the heat gun one last time to sweep the waves and pop any micro bubbles. And there we have it. Our 3D ocean masterpiece is complete.